How to fix Google Workspace in settings. Hello guys, if you want to fix problems, first step, go to settings, click apps and notification, click apps and search sheets, go to force stop, click OK, and go to storage and click clear cache. After these steps, go to data and turn off Wi-Fi and turn on Wi-Fi and turn off mobile data and turn on mobile data. So don't forget like and subscribe. Bye.